Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Buick Enclave CXL. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Buick has less than 131,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include luxury package, entertainment package, sunroof, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, OnStar, and power windows.